Hello guys, welcome to my famous YouTube channel. I'm back with new creative videos. We have gone through many videos on Flask such as database connectivity with Postgres relational database using Flask and all curl operation with Postgres database using Flask, MySQL connectivity with Flask, MongoDB connectivity with Flask and Pandas with Flask and many more videos on Flask. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. I am going to perform login operation using Flask, simple login operation using Flask, in which for username there is one method and for password there is another method. Now we will go through Python file. First true statement, importing required library, then main method, then in that user.txt in which credential information is stored, then file reader CSV file, in the it is rows and column, then read, it is open read mode because I want to only read the data, then method user find, enter username, if it is found then username is found, and if username is correct then break because we want to check the password, and if the username is not found then username not found, and if any bad username is entered it will exit the program, then password pass check, then enter password, if your password is found password match login, otherwise password not match, and if any unexpected thing happen processing error, and main has been called. Now at the last, now I will execute the program. Export Flask run. Yes, username is correct. Yes, password is also correct. Now I will take Aarti, password 7. Yes, both are matched. Now I will enter the username which is not there in the file, CSV file. Yes, it exits the program. So I have successfully done with a simple login tutorial using Flask. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.